If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly on POCO M8 5G, here's what you can do. First of all, we're gonna go to settings and let's go to Bluetooth. The simple thing that you can do that sometimes can be helpful is you can turn off your Bluetooth device, turn off completely Bluetooth and turn it back on, and then turn on your Bluetooth device again. And hopefully when you do so, you can easily connect again to your Bluetooth device. But in case you didn't connect before or you didn't connect yet and you cannot do that, then what you can do is you can simply erase all the data that is related to Bluetooth. Or actually, before you do that, what you can do is try to simply pair them again. So you can turn off your Bluetooth device. Let me actually erase my earbuds over here. Let's unpair them. So what you can do is you can turn off your Bluetooth device and turn it back on and put it into the pairing mode. So of course, remember that sometimes Bluetooth devices have pairing buttons that you need to use in order to put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode. And then the Bluetooth device might be available over here on this list of available devices. And sometimes when it doesn't appear, you can also tap on refresh and that becomes available after a couple of seconds. And there is a chance that you will see your Bluetooth device in here. In my case, it works just fine. I can pair it just like that. In case your Bluetooth device does not have the pairing button, make sure that it is not connected to anything else, to any other device. And also, what you can do is you can perform a factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to factory reset your Bluetooth device because every device has its own way of doing so. So you will have to look up like a manual or something. And once you do that, you can of course try to pair them again on your POCO M8. But if none of this works, what you can do is we can go back to settings and go to more connectivity options. And then in here we have reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, you will erase everything at once, all of these settings at once. You cannot separate it. So you will have to, for example, reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks again. But once that happens, once you reset, you can just go back to Bluetooth settings and try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And hopefully this time it will work. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.